You worked all month, flipping burgers at McDonald's. You get paid $2,000, but your bank account says $1,456. Where did the rest go? Welcome to the world of money. Let me explain everything you were never properly taught in school in the next 3 minutes. First, taxes. Taxes are the price you pay to live in a country. Roads, schools, hospitals, missiles. You pay income tax on money you earn, sales tax when you spend, capital gains tax when your investments grow, and then Social Security and Medicare. Social Security is forced retirement savings. Medicare helps pay for health care for older people. The government already knows what you owe, but they still make you file it. Fun. Next, banks. You think your money sits in a vault. It does not. When you deposit $1,000, the bank keeps a small piece and lends the rest to someone buying a jet ski. This is called fractional reserve banking. They pay you little interest. They charge borrowers more interest. That difference is profit. Your money is working, just not for you. Now, interest. Interest is money charging rent. If you borrow at 20% and miss payments, debt grows fast. If you invest at 7% compound interest, money multiplies quietly for years. Interest is either your enemy or your unpaid employee. Choose wisely. Then comes inflation. Ever notice everything costs more each year? That is inflation. Your $5 still says 5, but it buys less. Too much money chasing too few goods, supply problems, rising expectations. Governments fight inflation by raising interest rates. Higher rates mean less spending. Less spending cools the economy, but cool it too much and you get a recession. A recession is when the economy shrinks for months. Jobs disappear, markets fall, people panic. But recessions do not last forever. They reset the system. Now, credit scores. A 3-digit number between 300 and 850. It decides whether you get approved and what interest rate you pay. Pay on time. Use less than 30% of your credit limit. Do not apply for everything at once. It's not about being rich. It's about being trusted. Next, investing. If you do nothing, inflation steals from you. So you buy assets, stocks, small pieces of companies, bonds, loans to governments, funds, diversified bundles, real estate, property that pays rent. Investing is not about luck. It's about patience and time. Time is the cheat code. Money invested for 30 years grows more from time than from effort. Wealth is not built in days. It's built in decades. And finally, value. Money flows toward value. The more value you create, the more money flows to you. That's why tech founders, doctors, and top creators earn more. They solve bigger problems. So here's the summary. Kill high-interest debt. Protect your credit score. Invest consistently. Think long-term. Create value. Money is not magic. It's a system. Learn the rules and you stop being the worker and start owning the game. If this made money finally make sense, you already know what to do.